Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there and a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean, say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, you know, say, in a life, people, you know what I mean? And right now in times, people, anybody want the opportunity right now to travel overseas, if you go earn a better living. And I'm talking, say, you're living at Jamaica, you're living at Trinidad, you're living at, you know what I mean, the smaller Caribbean countries, them people, which is, you know what I mean, a lot of people, we do a job, people, we have a skill, but the money not so 100, you know what I mean, for we. And, you know, so once you go in a certain foreign country, people, we can earn a better living, you know what I mean. And you have some Caribbean countries, people, where there is better living and you get better wages because the dollar is really stronger, especially when it come out to Jamaican dollars, people. See? So once we get the chance, people, we are go out there for it. So now I'm going to talk about a very sad story, people. See? Very sad one, no joke about it. And it's about a brother, people, who was murdered in Manchester, Jamaica, my people, who is a construction worker. And this man, people, recently came to Jamaica on vacation, people. And, you know, was gearing up to leave soon. And, people, he was murdered. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. A man who does so much work over there in the Cayman Islands, people. I also have a video, you understand, where he's videoing, and this video that he did, people, was like, say, 3 years ago, when video upon one of the site them where I work on, people for sure say, I'm on a work on a lot of top buildings over there in Cayman, people, very top construction work over there, people, and to know that he was murdered while on his vacay in Jamaica, my people, and if you know that him family, you know what I mean, him daughter, everybody, people, mourning the loss right now. Zane, and even a lot of people who know him over in the Cayman Islands cannot believe, because this man was gearing up to leave Jamaica, people, back, you know what I mean, and boy, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So I have a small article here, so right now, people, that I'm going to read about this whole incident so you can get a brief understanding of what really happened, people. Jah know. Manchester, Jamaica. Police say a 50-year-old construction worker was shot and killed by robbers at a bar in Prospect, South Manchester, close to the St. Elizabeth border, late Monday. The deceased has been identified by the police as Rommel Ham of Prospect. Constabulary Communications Unit, CCU, told news by telephone that at about 8:30 p.m. on Monday, two men entered a bar and fired shots hitting Ham. He was subsequently robbed. According to residents, just before Ham's murder, the robbers had held up a stolen and minibus from a transport operator who was playing dominoes with friends at another location close by. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my people. Zane, and my viewers and subscribers, I just want to say this because I have seen this a lot of time, you know, and we all have to understand what time we are living in right now. And my condolences again to the family of this disease, sadly, you know what I mean. But we have to understand what time we live in, people. Number one, we can't trust nobody. See? We can't trust no one, people. No one. So you're traveling, you can't let nobody know when you come when you plan for left. See? Next two people. Next second, right? You cannot left your guards open like that, people. And what I mean, people, you can't go certain places, especially maybe you even live in that place or another bar there or something, you know. See? And you know, at time being, people, this is what I see happen. You have people who travel, come a yard, when me do a yard, me see them something here, people. See? They come down, they come a one bar here, so people. See? And them, they don't know a lot of people them seen at the bar. Because you know, for years, you know, maybe not touch down and touch soil and thing, people. And them want to buy every man them see a drink. See? Every man, yeah, some man are go grateful for know so why general buy me a drink. But when some man say you, them suspects say you are foreigner, we know what time we are living in now, my viewers and subscribers. Different time maybe from 5, 6, 7 years ago. One phone call them make, Zine, and link up who them a link up because they don't know them boy they up on the hunt. Them boy they are the crazy things, people. And it's that one phone call where they met my viewers and subscribers. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, people. That's it. Your 3 points them a come for. Your 3 points them plan for take my people. You understand? Yeah, then come for rob and then come for kill. And worse, if you resist my people, I'm telling you, Mr. Death, they go and make knock on your door, my viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? Because the man them heartless, the man them cruel, the man them wicked, the man them vicious, the man them not heart, my people. Totally different times you are living in now, my viewers and subscribers. So now hear the attacking basket telling us certain things, people. A serious thing I go on, you know. Very serious thing, my people. And sadly, as me telling the people, the man lost him life, people. But them set him up. Yeah, we know a robbery and what, but them know say him did the people. Them get information say him have the money, he must spend the money. You understand? Maybe him take out the Kyle and the man beg him a 5 bills and him give him a 5 bills, him give him a grand. You know what I mean? And them say the man feel the cut out back soon. You know what I mean? Sunday man I gear up for cutting up people. Them kill him the 3rd. You understand? Which is the Monday people. And he was gearing up for cut back me got came on the Sunday I come my people. And see it there? The man gone. Life just gone like that, people. Just come down on vacation for go enjoy yourself, chill with the family. We in a long time. And if you know what, get them cut done. You can't go back again. He was gearing up to go back, people, for go mash up some more work and make some more money, people. You know what I mean? Man, maybe come down and set up a next block or put on a next room pan in your house or something, people. You understand? But this is it, my viewers and subscribers, to tell you all the people them wicked and them vicious. But Jaja sees, Jaja knows. My people, big up on yourself, enough love, enough respect and enough blessings, and just stay safe out there, my people, and do the right thing. And again, my deepest condolences to the family of this deceased, my people. So the video I was telling you about, my viewers and subscribers, that this man did, people, when he up on a big construction site over there, my viewers and subscribers in Cayman, couple years ago, my people, I got shown, you know what I mean, I'm making a sister, yo, this man, yo, was doing it, people, because they said he was a very great worker, my people. You understand? Very great work over there in the Cayman Islands. So my people, stay safe and do the right thing. And please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production, official attacking boss, people. So just check out the video, my people. Peace out. Attack.
Huh?